We're going to explain the could not load file or assembly system, runtime, compiler services unsafe error. This frustrating error typically pops up when your application tries to run but can't find a crucial part of the .NET framework.
Let's break down the problem and its solutions. 1. Understanding the error. The error message itself points to a missing or corrupted assembly called System.Runtime.CompilerServices.Unsafe. This assembly contains features allowing unsafe code execution, code that bypasses some of the .NET framework's safety checks, often used for performance optimization or interacting directly with memory. The problem isn't that the feature is inherently bad. It's about the .NET framework's inability to find this essential component needed by your application. 2. Common causes. Several factors can trigger this error. First, a corrupted installation of the .NET framework is a prime suspect. During installation, some files might get damaged or lost. Second, missing or incorrect framework versions are frequently the culprit. Your application might require a specific .NET version, like .NET 6 or .NET 7, that's not installed or configured correctly on your system. Third, conflicts between different .NET versions can disrupt the smooth operation. Having multiple conflicting .NET versions installed can cause confusion, leading to missing assembly errors. Finally, problems with your project's configuration files, specifically those related to project references and target framework, can also trigger this issue. 3. Troubleshooting steps. Now let's tackle how to fix this. First, attempt a repair of your .NET framework installation. Use the control panel or your operating system's built-in repair tools to try to fix corrupted files. Second, verify that the correct .NET version is installed. Your application usually requires a specific version. Check the application's documentation or project files for this information. If it's not there, install the required version from the official Microsoft website. Third, check for and resolve any .NET framework version conflicts. If you have multiple versions installed, try uninstalling the unnecessary ones, leaving only the required version for your application. Fourth, meticulously examine your project files. Look for any errors in your project references or in the target framework settings. Fixing any incorrect settings or missing references is crucial. Fifth, as a last resort, consider a clean reinstall of Visual Studio or your development environment and the relevant .NET SDKs. Sometimes a clean start is the most effective way to resolve deep-seated problems. If none of this works, checking for and updating your system's drivers, especially those related to graphics and hardware acceleration, might be helpful, as such drivers can sometimes interfere with .NET application behavior. Remember to always back up your work before making significant changes to your system.